So this is how you can draw a cartoon face. Yeah. And well, now we will draw the head, right? And similarly, you can even select this anchor point and you can move it to the right if you wish. See? So I'm just showing you all the tricks how you can work with all of these. Okay, so now we will draw the hair, right? Or the head. So for drawing the head, okay, there you go. So this is hair, you can say. And let me move this artwork a bit down here. Yep. Again, using the brush tool, let's come here. Let's draw from here. There you go. You can even press Ctrl Z to undo if you were not happy with your artwork. Now you can draw here. Let me zoom in. And this is one ear. And what you can do is you can just click, select the shape using selection tool, alt drag it here, right click, transform, reflect. There you go. That's it. Now it's time to draw the head part. There is a trick, for drawing hairs. Start drawing from here at the top of the ear. Draw 4 arcs. Say this is the first arc, second arc, the third arc, and the fourth. There you go, right? It's really cute, isn't it? Again, let me show you another face that I have drawn previously. I will also include this face to you. See, 4 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Let's come here. Let's draw. Let me go to the window menu and make sure layers panel is checked. This is the one. Okay, for now we will just hide this one, this one, this one, and this one. Again, we will try to draw, right? So, the first arc, the second arc, there you go. So remember this trick. 4 arcs. You can even draw with 3 arcs, but those arcs need to be bigger than that. See, using 3 arcs. So let's again try using 4 arcs. 1 arc, the second arc, the third arc, and the fourth one. It's simple, isn't it? Okay, friends. So, we have eyebrows left, right? So using the brush tool, let's draw an eyebrow just like this. You can even press Ctrl Z if you don't like. I think I'm liking this cool eyebrow. Let's try. Let's try some different eyebrows. Oh my god. Yep, this one is looking cool, right? Okay, now select it using the selection tool, Alt and drag it here. And again, let's just flip it. And how we can flip it? Right click, transform, reflect. There you go. So this is the whole process of creating a cartoon face. Let me save this project as cartoon1. Let me save it. And now let's draw another.